Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time with another look at a reflection that just arrived. This is a 295 RL 2021. Just recently arrived from Indiana, so we're still getting some new pieces in, getting ready for some late season trades, and of course in anticipation of the big spring rush we'll see early next year, and with any luck the show. Anyway, let's get to this one. It's a 295 RL, so rear living, couple style camper. Let's take a look inside. Right off the bat, you see this big, beautiful slide on the kitchen side, wood grain front on the fridge, nice counter space around the cooktop, 3-burner cooktop, Furion countertop or Furion microwave above. Nice big pantry. It's a trademark of Grand Design. Several of the other manufacturers now incorporating that nice big pantry. Here's a view from your comfortable Thomas Paine recliners of your television set, your entertainment area, your nice fireplace below. Trifold couch here at the back, nice big wraparound windows, give you that panoramic view if you've got a waterside lot to park this beauty in. I'm standing right now by the island kitchen, a high-rise faucet, big farm style sink, all kinds of storage. You can see that here, little coffee bar, wet bar here, storage at the top, more drawers underneath, more storage on either side of the oven, and of course some storage on this side of the island as well. The dinette is split, 2 chairs on one side and a bench on the other. That bench doubles as an ottoman, so you can pull that out, slide it over here, and use it as a footstool for your folks that are on the couch if you're sitting around having a little entertaining time. It also stores some items for you because it pops open like a chest. So there's room inside. Those chairs will pop open as well. Keep your cards and knickknacks in there, anything you want to keep hidden. Heading up into the bedroom, see the motion sensor lighting, a couple of the features here, the Grand Design. Got a USB charging station, universal solar prep on the roof, so if you want to get some solar panels for this one, you've already got the prep done, so all you have to do is plug it in and play on this one. Keep your batteries trickle charged if you're on the road, if you're lucky enough to be pulling this beautiful unit. So up front, wraparound carpet on either side of the bed, which is nice for those cold mornings. Storage above, padded headboard for your safety and pleasure. You got sconce lighting on either side and a little charging station with a small shelf above, so you can set your phone on there as well. And this is the 150 series, so they incorporate the vanity into the actual area in the bedroom rather than putting it on a slide. So you've got a nice shirt closet there and some drawers. Sliding pocket door, saves space, makes for a nice open area here as you come out of the bedroom. You don't have a swinging door to kind of get in the way, it just slides out of the way. Same thing repeats itself here in the bed or in the bathroom. You see the elastic holding in the pocket door there for the bathroom. Nice big skylight shower, room for 2 in there. Sliding glass panels, nice storage above, foot flush toilet, good counter space on either on the side of the sink. Got another spot here for medicine cabinet, more storage below, little drawers there as well as a little cabinet, and of course you've got the heating unit plumbed in. One of the beautiful features of the Grand Design, no heat release in the floor. Your heating system, your furnace exhaust is all going to be up off the floor so that you don't have to walk in those hard grates. They've managed to take the carpet off one side of the slide. Still carpet here over on the other side though. It makes for comfort for your feet. But no carpet here on the kitchen side of the slide, which is a nice feature as well. So this has been a look at the 295 Grand Design Reflection 150 series, 295 RL. Come down and see myself, Jason or Phil here at Leisure Time Sales. Our guys up in Moncton are getting their new lot set up. They'll be ready to go soon for your pleasure up in Moncton. Still lots of fun here to be had on the lot. Leisure Time Sales open year round. Come have us a visit, folks.